me, Fashion Tamer, the Tamer, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig is coming from Hey Beauty in Duncanville, Texas. You know, my job, my workplace, my bread and butter. Anywho, so the wig that I have on is coming from a wonderful company called Wannabe. This is their 30-inch Grace wig, and yes, this is 100% human hair of 30 inches of loose deep wave goodness, and she is everything. I love the way this looks. I love the way this feels. And also, I do have to kind of let you guys know a big secret. This is damn near a 3-year-old human hair unit from the beauty supply. So any person that's out there talking trash about the beauty supply, saying that they don't have good wigs, or the quality is not that great, well, guess what? They've been shopping at the wrong beauty supply, because mine in Duncanville, Texas, baby, we got everything that you need and everything that you didn't even know that you were looking for. But we got it. So yes, so let's get into the details on this unit. Number one, like I said before, this is 30 inches of deep wave lace front goodness, and her name is Grace. This is the style Grace. Mine is, like I said, mine's about almost, she's teaching on about 3 years. She's teaching on 3 years, being 3 years old. I have wash conditioned this unit. I have actually, well, I don't wash them. I actually just let them soak and do their own thing, and then detangle them out really good to where the curls bounce back. I did pluck mine a little bit just to get like a little bit of a parting space. So that way when I wear, because I wear it just like this all the time, I can leave a little bit of my own hair out, swoop in my baby hairs, take a little bit of the wig baby hairs to make it look a little bit more believable, a little bit more natural, and it won't be an issue. It is 150 density. It definitely feels way more than that. And I will say this, due to the length of time that I've had this unit, and I've actually worn this unit much more than than her sister Blooming that I reviewed on here. If you guys don't know who Blooming is, she's the infamous $500 wig, and I hate to tell you guys, this is her sister, so that'll let you know that she's actually a little bit higher. So this is 700 versus, but nonetheless, price is really not the issue. I mean, for some, I'm not gonna say it's just not the issue. For some, yes, it is an issue. But you guys know how often I preach this, and I mean it wholeheartedly. If you are a mother, a Black woman in America, and you are taking care of your kids, especially around this pandemic, and you are trying to, get by, you're getting by, or you're literally excelling in every aspect of that life has seemed to thrown at you, there is nothing wrong with splurging on a bag, some shoes, or even some hair if you have the means to, and you have taken care of all of your other business. So, excuse me, with that being said, like I said, this unit is at our store is $700, worth every penny. We do have a layaway plan. You will have to contact the manager of the Wig at Hey Beauty in order to get a little bit more understanding of how the layaway works. There's nothing wrong with having to do layaway. I'm just saying, layaway is sometimes your girl best friend. It is what it is. Ain't nobody gonna judge you because you had to do layaway. Hell, they probably upset that they couldn't even think about doing layaway. Period. Other than that, this wig does have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable strap. This wig, I swear to God, is beyond big head friendly. They made sure that you are getting your money's worth. And whether you have a small head, medium size, or large dome, baby, they figured out a way for y'all to wear this unit. You can put an elastic band in it. I don't do it because I noticed that every time I put an elastic band, it's too tight. So what I do is the crossover method with my adjustable straps, and mine fits on my head like a glove with no issue, and I don't have any problems. Like I said, I did recently just recondition this wig, so that way I don't have any issues. I did pop the curls out way more. Like, this is actually a lot of waves like really just popped out. Very easy, no shedding, like literally. I've had this wig for 3 years and this is the same thickness that the hair was the day that I got her. Even after plucking the parting, this is still the same thickness that it was the day that I got her, and she was worth every penny. I would do it again if I wanted to, and I probably might. I don't know. I probably might because I want to pluck it into a middle part. But like I said, it was definitely worth the money, and if you guys want more information, I will leave contact information of how to purchase one of these units, and also you know, the email address to where you can just email my sister and she will definitely give you all the information that you need on this unit and many, many more that they have over there at Hey Beauty. That's pretty much it. This is all thumbs up. I love this wig. She is perfect. I mean, come on, you guys. Look. Do y'all not see it? Like, that is, ooh, Lord. Okay, let me stop lusting over some hair. If this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.